In today's video, I'll be going to show you how to see your YouTube Wrapped 2025. And to see that YouTube Wrapped in 2025, firstly you need to go to the YouTube, but before that you need to check whether the YouTube is updated or not. For that, firstly let's go to the Play Store or App Store that will be related to your iPhone or Android phone. If it is Android phone, you need to go to the Play Store like so, what I did. And if it is iPhone, you need to go to the iPhone store or App Store. So there you need to search for YouTube like this, and make sure your YouTube app is on latest version and it is full on up to date. After that, you can go to the YouTube app like this, and after opening you can go to your profile picture like this, and from here it will displays all YouTube Wrap 2025. If not so, you can go to the Chrome. You can search for youtube.com/recap like this, and from here it will give you a pop-up that looking for your YouTube Wrap 2025. Open your YouTube app. If not so, you need to wait for few days because YouTube is being rolling out this feature globally, so it may take some time for few users of YouTube. So this is how you could see your YouTube Wrapped in 2025, and you need to make sure that your YouTube app is full on latest version. Thank you.